Headquartered in the United States with a global R&D center in Korea, Amkor Technology has established a global footprint with sales and manufacturing facilities in 11 countries. With over $7 billion in revenue, over 30,000 employees, and industry-leading customers, Amkor has cemented its position as a global leader in semiconductor assembly and test. Amkor's packaging and test services are an integral part of the world's semiconductor supply chain. A sterling reputation in a competitive industry takes work. Amkor is committed to supporting the supply chain of semiconductor suppliers and partners in Vietnam and around the globe. At Amkor, we differentiate ourselves from our competitors by focusing on all of our customers' needs in order to be a total solution provider. From design and simulation to dropship and inventory management, Amkor goes above and beyond to work alongside customers to develop customized solutions to fit their specific needs. Our industry-leading quality services, operational excellence, and leadership in the technology space is industry famous for our uncompromising quality. Simply put, our global R&D center is #1 worldwide, thanks to our world-class team of engineers and designers. It's a distinction we take seriously, and we remain committed to staying at the top. Amkor's reputation as a total solution provider reaches into a range of applications: communications, consumer, automotive, and computing. Our advanced packaging technology has become an industry standard. Keeping pace with such high criteria of quality in a global market requires facilities that are up to the task. It became clear that a new manufacturing center would need to be established, but only if the conditions were right. All focus turned to Vietnam. Vietnam provided a location where the potential for growth was not only high, but sustainable. An area with an abundance of resources to build a thriving infrastructure: water, electricity, reliable logistics, and of course, a talented and educated community. Support from the government was imperative to make this dream a reality, and Vietnam showed itself to be the ideal place. We see ATV as an essential part of Amkor's long-term growth, playing a pivotal role in Vietnam becoming a semiconductor superhub. Our ambition is to make ATV the world's best semiconductor packaging and test factory. ATV will be pivotal, the state-of-the-art cornerstone of Amkor's future growth, a convergence of technology and know-how, offering customers a large-scale, cost-effective advanced packaging and test location. The footprint here will nearly quadruple in size as we bring ATV up to full mass production readiness. A smart manufacturing system will make ATV an eco-friendly facility. Amkor's environmental, social, and governance mission is both bold and future-thinking. Through wastewater treatment, renewable energy, and other green measures, Amkor is looking toward a brighter tomorrow, not just for Amkor, but for the planet we share. But of course, all of this requires our most valuable asset: people. Our commitment to continuing to evolve as a multicultural, multinational company cannot work without the recruitment and fostering of a diverse team of smart and talented team members. From the leadership level to the factory floor, Amkor sets itself apart as a unique culture of collaboration and cooperation, where mutual respect and trust for one another are essential, no matter the role or level of expertise. For the past 55 years and for the next 100 years, we are strong. We are poised for unprecedented success. We are committed to becoming the #1 semiconductor packaging and test supplier in the world. We are Amkor.